Hello there. So I added some code to scan all the amateur bands on the Omni6 Plus, and so I will set the mode to LSB, lower sideband, with a wide filter, and go through the bands. And then when I hit 10 megahertz, I'll go to USB, and then I'll keep going. So let's check that out. Seems to work quite well. Start the program going here. There it goes. Let's run through frequencies there. The radio is going through frequencies. That's about it. All the bands scanned, and it's pretty much dead air today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.